Hi everyone, welcome to my crazy coupon cash review video. This is a product that is created by David Aslam together with Eva Kano and Kenneth. So in a nutshell, crazy coupon cash is a product that will allow you as an affiliate to offer product at a discounted value. And also, if currently you are sitting in a rate, you have experienced a lot of refunds, this will help you to improve your Warrior Plus score, and in turn you will be able to make more sale because people are interested in buying products that are offered for less. So you will gain sales, especially if you are a newbie, you are a beginner. You'll be able to move from 0 sales to more sales. So if you feel like this is something that you're interested in, please stick with me throughout my review video, so I can just take you through what crazy coupon cash is all about in the members area and also show you my custom bonuses. But for now, let's just get to it and find out more about crazy coupon cash. So guys, we're now on the sales page. So this is the page that you will access once you take up this product. You can just click on the description link in my video so that you can just take up the product and it will take you to this page. So this is what David and team are saying. So if you want to earn a commission like a pro and unlock the crazy power of coupons today, as I've mentioned, this is a product that will allow you to use coupons to entice potential buyers. We all know that people like things that are selling for less. So if your products have nice nuggets like coupons, then people will be keen to buy from you. And these are the benefits. So it says it offers wild discounts to 10x your conversion so that you can lead to sales and give products away for free to build an email list. You can improve your Warrior Plus score, especially if you are currently sitting in a rate, you have a lot of refunds. You can improve your score because people will buy more from you. You'll be offering your products for less. You don't need to have any technical skills. Guarantee approval to promote, as you'll be promoting some of David's products, and full video training. This will be part of the members area. So these are the benefits, and this is there's no risk from your side, guys. So it's a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you're not happy, you're free to return the product and they will refund your money, and so there's no loss from your side. So this is how you get the product, and these are the creators of the product. It's David Aslam, one of the super affiliates out there, and James Kennedy and Eva Kano. This is one of a good friend of mine. So now I just want us to go through the members area where we'll just go through the product. So in the welcome section, this is where David and team welcome you if you've bought the crazy coupon cash, and you can also join Eva Kano and Kennedy and David's Facebook group. The next section is the overview section where David explains about the crazy coupon and with the 3 methods, so that you can offer the product for $1 and the other one you can offer for less than $25, and that's where he explains. And the main training section, this is the product that he's offering, and it's also showing you how you can promote using the promo codes. So there are promo codes that you can use that are related to these coupons that are associated with this product. So in under resources, he's also offering the team is offering a free squeeze page templates that you can use, and also there are special bonuses and the products that David has. So, and I just want to go to my bonus page. So guys, you'll just go through the members area just to find out more about the product. So let's just go to the bonuses, and I'll also take you to the vendors bonuses. So these are the bonuses that I have for you, so that you can 10x your result and be able to build your email list using the coupons method and the coupons that will be provided with this product. So the first bonus that I have is affiliate marketing for beginners, that is created by my company, Kadis Digital Marketing. This will help you to be able to access the affiliate marketing program and understand from a basic point of view what affiliate marketing is all about, especially when you are starting up. This is the tutorial that will help you to do that. The second bonus is how to build a buyer's list the easy way, especially with the crazy coupon cash. It will help you to build the email list and give you hacks on how to do that. You can use it and supplement it with crazy coupon. The next one is Instagram marketing made easy. So this is just a bonus that you can use, so that you can use Instagram to promote the offers that you'll be promoting. And the fourth bonus that I have for you guys is the 70 content ideas to post on social media. This will show you how to post on social media and how to go about it and which content to use, because we know that social media is the way to go in promoting your offers as an affiliate. So guys, these are the bonuses that I have for you. So if you are interested, you want to take up the bonuses, you can just select on the blue buttons here and just take up the bonuses. And I just want to make note that the bonuses will only be available for the period of the launch, and after the launch the bonuses won't be available anymore. So it is better that you take up the offer so that you can also access the awesome bonuses that are just taking you through. So but now I also want to take you through the vendors bonuses that are coming with crazy coupon cash. So these are the vendors bonuses. So you will be getting my 4 bonuses plus the interesting discount on Academy membership. This is one of the membership program that David is offering. You'll also get exclusive Facebook group to the creator of the product, and so that you can get like one-on-one training and information from their Facebook group. And the next one is massive product bundle. You get a huge bundle of over 50 product upsells from 18 top marketers. So these are different products where you will be able to get so much value from the top affiliates out there. These are products that have already been launched, so you will be able to get the information there for free. The next bonus, the vendor bonus, is the resellers rights. So you will be able to resellers rights to 20 of David's previous products. So these are the products that have been created by David. You will get like resellers right to sell them as your own and be able to get commission and 100% commission. And this is 24/7 support. If you have any issues concerning the crazy coupon cash, you will be able to get support 24/7 so that they can help you with any issues that you have. So guys, these are the bonuses that I have for you. So if you have any question whatsoever, as I've said, you will be able to get access here. So but now I want us to go to the prices just to check how much this product is going to cost you. So the front end basically it will be this training course over here. Okay, and if you buy within the period of the launch, it will be my 4 interesting bonuses. These bonuses that I've just showed you here, and the vendors bonuses that I've showed you. So you will be able to get that for only $12.95. So that's not bad, right? Especially with the information that you're going to get, and also considering that you're also going to get David's previous products that he sold. It was even called it cost more than $12.95. So this is a good value for money. And the second upgrade is Crazy Coupon Cash Pro version. So you get the 3 coupon codes and 100% resellers right to 10 more products, making 15 in total. So I suggest that you take the Pro version. It's not that bad. It's only $37, but you can just get access to all the coupons that will allow you to offer discounts when you're offering a product, and the resellers right. The next upsell is Executive Club, where you put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game and get notified at least a week before the launch of all the new releases by David. So that means before there's a new release from David Aslam, you will get a notification a week so that you can prepare for the launch, and you will get a review copy of the product and guaranteed approval. So there's no need for you to request approval. We all know that the Water Plus, you must request for approval, so you'll get auto approved. You will even get 100% commission on the front end, which is great, right? So get ahead of the game and plan your campaigns early for maximum effect. So the next one, OTO3 for $37. Get resellers right to Crazy Coupon Cash. Sell it as if it was your own product and keep 100%. This is the license right to sell this product as your own. And the 4th OTO is done for you weekly campaigns. You get sent done for you campaigns each and every week, include done for you bonus page with review videos, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses. This will help you when you are promoting, so you don't have to create your own bonuses or show your own bonuses, but you need to have a commission gorilla to do that. And become a beta tester for Elite Academy for $997. So we all know that David has a program called Elite, and this is a nice program where he's teaching people how to be super affiliates. And also the nice thing about it, he also helps you to launch your own product. So benefits including a guaranteed product launch with David and passive income at least twice a month from his sales rotators. So guys, this is the Crazy Coupon Cash video that I have for you. This is my review, just to take highlights on this particular product. Is considering that you will receive David's previous videos, and you will also get the training for $12.95. That's not bad. I think it's worthwhile, so that you'll be able to make, especially if you're a beginner, you have 0 sales, it will at least help you to improve your sales and your Water Plus score, and it will be easier for vendors to approve you for further requests if you want to promote other products, because they will see that, okay, this person is serious, he's got sales under his belt, under her belt. So yeah, that is my my review and my recommendation. But ultimately it's up to you whether you will take this product or take up the product or not. And just a reminder, if you want to take up the product, just click on the description link in my video, and Thanks for watching my video, guys. Until we meet again for another interesting review. But for now, cheers, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Cheers, guys.